So I love using Black & Decker power tools. These are the 20-volt max power style. I love these tools. I have a mess of tool collection that gets powered by these guys, but they're kind of small, and the runtime for these guys don't last that long. I came across these porta cables right here. See, that's double the size right there. And I managed to make them work with my Black & Decker tools. Normally, when you first get them, they have this little plastic piece right here and this little nudge right there. I decided to shave it off. And this is my Black & Decker. Power's on. Let me show you real quick. So it did power on. Here's my Black & Decker adaption. Right there. Power's on normally. So again, this is the porta cable with the pieces of plastic cut off. That way I can work with my Black & Decker. It would also, let me turn this on. Perfectly charged in the Black & Decker charger. So if you find yourself a porta cable on clearance, I say get it.